Hey everyone, GratuiTous here. If you are wanting to learn how to make custom drum loops in FL Studio with one-shot drum samples, then this course is for you. So if you're an absolute beginner, I walk you through step by step how to get started nice and slow. As you can see here in FL Studio, we have free drum samples, so in the packs. So I actually use these for one of the beats. So we actually make two beats in this course. We make a dance drum loop, and then we make kind of like a rap drum loop. So this is an actual project from the course. I break down how to color code, how to organize, how to understand about patterns, and how to keep things fresh for your listeners' ears. I talk to you about how to send all your stuff to the mixer so that you can take your drum loops to the next level when you're ready to do mixing and stuff like that. So this course is all about drum loops for beginners, but again, we also cover some intermediate to advanced stuff as we start to go on, as you can see right here. Okay, so I walk you through step by step. We build this one from scratch. Same with the rap drum loop. And I think you will really enjoy learning about drum loops in a nice, easy way to get results. Okay, again, all with one-shot drum samples.